will be live streamed on our YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, so we'll first call to order, which I already did. And next we'll take attendance. So Rachel?
Hello and good evening. I'm Rachel Hurd. I represent Trustee Area 5.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Jesse Van Zee, and I represent Trustee Area 1.
Hi, everyone. I'm Susanna Ordway, and I represent Area 4.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Shelley Clark, and I represent Area 2.
And I'm Laura Bratt, and I represent Area 3. All right. So next, we need to accept the agenda. I need to make this bigger on my computer because I don't have my readers. So I will read our closed agenda. We have 4.1, which is conference with labor negotiators, Government Code Section 54957.6. And that's agency representatives Melanie Jones and employee organization Servia, CSEA, and CEIU. It doesn't look like we have public comment. Do we have public comment for this? No,
We do not.
Okay. So can I get a motion to accept the closed session agenda?
I move that we accept the closed session agenda.
Second.
The motion was made by Board Member Van Zee and seconded by Board Member Hurd. Roll call vote. Board Member Hurd.
Aye.
Board Member Van Zee.
Aye.
Board Member Ordway.
Aye.
Board Member Clark.
Aye.
Board Member Bratt.
Aye.
Motion passes 5-0.
Great, thank you. So now we'll adjourn to closed.